Hello everyone, this is the fourth episode of my Flutter UI series. Today in this video we're gonna see how to use an image. So let's get started. So first of all, let's import the image. I already have copied it in my clipboard, and first of all let's create a folder named assets. Okay, and inside these assets you can put your assets like your image or your font, etc. So inside asset, let's create another directory, images, and then put your image here. Okay, this is my image, a bird. Okay, I have copied it and pasted it here inside the images directory. So now one more thing, which is open your pubspec.yaml file and navigate to the assets section, which is here. So delete the hash and make sure there are two spaces, 1 2, and similarly 1 and 2. Okay, and then show the path here, your assets path. So in my case it is assets slash images slash bird.png. Okay, done. Now click here, packages get. Okay, now let me create another method which will return the image. So let's create it, widget get image. Now we need an image asset object, image asset image, I guess. Asset image, yeah. Asset image equals asset image, and here put the path, which is, if you see here, the pubspec YAML file, this is the path of our image. So let's copy it and then paste it here. Okay, now let's create an image object, image equals image, and then here put the asset image that we just created, asset image, and finally return the image, return image. Okay, now call this method get image. Okay, now let's run the app. Okay, get dependencies. Here it is. See? So okay, we can make it at the center, but it's okay for now. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.